Today I'm going to be sharing with you the secret to making the most delicious, decadent, everyday French toast. Check this out. This French toast is irresistible and will want you craving breakfast all day. Hi, you're watching Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed already, click on the subscribe button. And while you're there, if you hit on that bell icon, you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. Okay, since we're making French toast, one of the main ingredients is going to be bread. So let's talk about the bread that you use for making French toast. You can use actually any bread that you have on hand. When I make French toast, I prefer using either brioche or challah or any thick sliced bread. Texan toast is a good option, or any country bread. But if I'm feeling a little bit decadent and it's the festive season, I even use croissants. When I make French toast, I always like to go in with the brioche bread because it's so full of flavor and it really enhances the taste of the French toast. And what more, it's French. Brioche bread is more delicate and soft, and so to make it a little bit more firm and to get that lovely crispiness to our French toast, what I prefer to do is to put it into a toaster. But if you have time on your hands, then you can always keep it out overnight so that it dries up a little bit, or you can put it into the oven with your oven on a low heat and allow it to toast for about 10 to 15 minutes. To dry up our brioche bread just a little bit so that we get that nice firm French toast, we're going to toast the bread just a little bit. This recipe is going to give you 12 French toast, so once you're done toasting the bread, it's time to whip up the mixture. To make the batter to dip the bread in, we're going to go in with 4 large eggs. And to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, about 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg, and I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can add salt to taste. We're going to whisk this together till the eggs break down and the sugar dissolves. To this we're going to add half a cup of milk. If you wanted, you could add half and half, or heavy cream, or a combination of all. And we're going to finish up the mixture by adding 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Let's blend this all together. I'm going to transfer the mixture into a flatter bowl so it becomes easier to dip the bread. To a heated skillet, we're going to add approximately 1 tablespoon of butter, and on a medium heat, we're going to allow the butter to melt. To that, we're going to add half a teaspoon of oil so that the butter does not burn. And we're going to give it a swirl so that the butter and the oil mix together and cover the base of the pan. To coat the bread, we're going to dip it into the mixture, and we're going to dip it just for about a second on each side. We're going to place the soaked bread in the heated pan and allow it to sizzle and fry till it turns golden on one side. Then we're going to flip it over and repeat the process. You could fry even 2 slices at a time. And once the French toast is ready, it's time to lift it up and place it on a wire rack so that we can place it in an oven which has been preheated at 250 degrees Fahrenheit so that we can keep them nice and warm and crispy till we finish frying up all. We're going to be drizzling our French toast with cinnamon sugar, and that's going to take it to another level. Now you can either buy it from a store ready, or you can make it at home. And this is how we do it. We're going to go in with 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar. And to that we're going to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. And we're going to give it a whisk. And there, your cinnamon sugar is ready. For an individual serve, I like to plate them by stacking them one on top of the other. And we're going to drizzle it with a generous helping of cinnamon sugar, and this really enhances the flavor of the French toast. I'm going to top it with a knob of butter and watch it melt on that warm French toast. And we're going to finish it off with some fresh fruit. I'm going in with some blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries. And now it's time to drizzle on the maple syrup. Oh my goodness! Look at that. I cannot wait to give this a taste. My whole house is filled with this amazing aroma. Let's go right in. Wow, the edge is so crispy. Look at all those beautiful layers. Okay, let's give this a try. This French toast is so crispy on the outside, and as you bite into it, you get that lovely, delicious flavor of the cinnamon and the nutmeg. This is a must-try recipe. And if you want the full written recipe, log on to my website, platingitwithwendy.com. Thanks for watching. See you soon.